If you have heard of the KLARNA method going around Detroit right now for Christmas, please do not do it because you will ruin your credit score. So if you remember the Cash App or the Chase Bank method that was happening a few years ago and even last year, there is a new one called the KLARNA method that people are doing in Detroit that is absolutely ruining your credit. People are now getting your first and last name and even your social security number, opening up a KLARNA account and buying PlayStations, iPhones, and credit lines of cash, and then making your credit go in the toilet. And people are telling you this. They thought they found a KLARNA glitch, but what they really found was a glitch to go straight to prison. Because if you do this KLARNA method right now where you're getting PlayStations, iPhones, iPads, and cash in people's name and then not paying those back, you will go to jail. It's gotten so bad that even this guy right here who works at a Walmart said that all of their Apple products got cleared out in Detroit because of people coming in and buying with KLARNA. So please, whatever you do, do not.
This is completely insane. Again, here's another example of people borrowing money, and I know they're doing it in a crazy way. They're asking people for their first name, last name, and social security. And by the way, if you give that information away, you're just as guilty. You know exactly why you give it away. Nobody gives it away like it's some type of phone number or whatever. Like, bro, you're giving away your sensitive information. It's your fault too. Number two, this is exactly what I mean by people, the culture, just people in general, just saying things like, well, we shouldn't have our checks garnished because, well, it's hard to live. You signed your name on something that you agreed to pay back. Be quiet. Like, just shut up. You know what I'm saying? You got to pay your stuff back, man. But this is just insane. Having people use KLARNA to get 10 bands and then buying iPhones that they're just going to scroll on endlessly and not even make no money from. I mean, they could be keep rolling with the KLARNA thing, but that's not an honest living, bro. You know how many videos I had to watch to find these videos that I'm showing you all? I was like, damn, you know, I keep seeing one thing just keep showing up over and over and over again. You know what that was? Black people. Why is it a flood of black people doing this, bro? This is so sad. Do you know we're capable of so much? You know what I'm saying? And white people too. I don't care what color you are. I don't care. I care about the character of the person. But black people love to find a way to get out of something or get something that's just dishonest, that they don't have to put work in for, bro. It's so crazy to me, and they love to play victim off of the economy. Oh, Trump this and Trump that and this. Oh, well, this is going on, and you know, prices is this and that, and EBT this and that. And you're a scammer. You steal. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve to walk and live in a world where you can work and make money. You need to be put in a cell because you stealing. You stealing, bro. That's wrong, bro. It's like these people don't have no moral. You know the money coming out of somebody's pockets. And it's all digital. These folks acting like KLARNA can't just find out, you know what I'm saying, who put their name and social security in and who's going to be responsible. They're acting like you're not trackable online, which is crazy work. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below.
Yo, what's up, y'all? So this is about the KLARNA wave y'all been asking me about. This is the most easiest wave to get into. For one, a lot of y'all asking me, is the wave dead? No, it's not dead. It works the same way with Affirm too. Affirm and KLARNA, it works the same way. And it's been out for a long time. So I don't even know why this even coming back up again. But anyways, y'all want to know the steps to do it. Now, I'm probably going to get a lot of hate for this because a lot of people trying to charge y'all the step-by-step of what to do. So I'm going to break it down for y'all. Fuck it. Now, if you need to know where to get fools from, then that's where you got to tap in with me at. But I'm talking about high-quality fools, too. I'm going to get into that. All right, so, boom. With the KLARNA, all they doing is they're using the fools to run the credit through the KLARNA app or the Affirm app. Now, for the ones that don't know what a fools is just basically social, date of birth, and a common name. The reason why I say a common name is because you want somebody who has a common name that match that same social. So that's the way when you go in the store and you just show the ID, you good. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's all it is. Now, when you run the social through the apps, you get approved for credit. You get like a credit line. So you can get 4,000 available spending power. Some people getting 5K, 10K. It's so easy. It's just about having a good site that sells a good fools. You know what I'm saying? A good site that sells a good fools.
Nah, I don't know what you're saying, bro. It's called identity theft. It's called identity theft, bro. Like, if people are this smart, right? And I gotta speak to my black people on this one, bro, because again, I keep seeing a whole bunch of black people talking about tutorials about this Klarna mess and how they keep getting over it. Bro, if you got the brains to figure all this out, bro, imagine if you actually put this energy into something that actually made an honest living. But this is exactly what makes black people, the culture, look bad. And I'm not including myself in. I don't care what nobody say. Oh, well, you're black too. Bro, listen, bro. Again, I go by character, not by color. This is insane. The fact that he is, one, self-snitching on himself, okay? He is literally incriminating himself, which is idiotic to the highest tier. Bruh, if the feds ever wanted to say, you know, let's go ahead and catch these fools stealing money from Klarna Afterpay and the firm and committing identity theft, they'd easily find him. Not just because he's teaching people, but he's putting it on the internet. It's out here. The video, I ain't download the video, but if I wanted to, I could download it and react to it. But I'm actually watching it on TikTok. It's still up. Like, this is so stupid. This is so stupid. The culture is cooked. Okay. And when you see a whole bunch of comments of people talking about, I'm gonna read the comments. I know y'all might not be able to see them, but I did get approved. What do I do? It's a new way now. What about the innocent people's credit? Somebody got a heart out here. Another person said, do you need an ID scan when signing up with the fool? Bro, all these people, I mean, some of them got black profile pictures, but it's just like, bruh, this man is incriminating himself, talking about how he stole the identity of people and he's borrowing money that he's not going to pay back. And he's just buying stupid stuff. It's not even stupid stuff. They're iPhones or whatever, but it's just like, and the fact that y'all complain about the system, the fact that y'all complain about CEOs and how the rich take from the poor, bro, who are you taking from? Just because you do it don't mean that you can do it. Like, this is going to catch up with people, man. I promise you that. It's going to catch up with people. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below as well.